Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 8. Dear students, our today's topic is article. This is our lecture number 1 and SW number 1. Okay, so dear students, please follow the board, all of you. Look here dear students, at first I am going to say about its definition. Look here, our topic name is article. What is article? A, an and the are called article in English. Okay dear students, so what we have learned? We have learned that a, an and the are called article in English. Articles are basically adjective as they qualify nouns. Okay, so articles are basically what? Adjective as they qualify nouns. Dear students, now we will know about its classification. Okay, there are two types of articles. What are they? Number 1, indefinite. Number 2, definite. Dear students, this indefinite article means a and an are called indefinite articles because they refer to indefinite person or things or animals. A or an are primarily used before singular countable nouns. Okay, before singular countable nouns. In terms of meaning, a and an have no difference. In uses, however, there is difference between them. For example, he bought a pen, the boy took an egg. Okay, like this way. And now I am going to say about definite article. Okay, dear students, definite article, the is called the definite article. Okay, the is called the definite article because it definitely refers to a particular person or thing. Definite article is used before both singular and plural nouns. So here we have found that definite article is it is used before both singular and plural nouns, and it definitely refers to a particular person or thing. Now dear students, now I am going to say about its use. Okay, uses of a and n. Look dear students, you will get this from your book, I mean your Advanced Learners Communicative English Grammar book. Okay, you will get this topic. Here I have written shortly, you can follow that. Okay, look, number 1, a is usually used before a word beginning with a consonant and n is used before words beginning with a vowel. All of us know that what are vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, look, A is usually used before a word beginning with a consonant and N is used before words beginning with a vowel. For example, a hen, a boy, a pen. Okay, now number 2. And here you can say for the example of N, here you can say an orange. Okay, and now like this way. Then number 2, if H in the first letter of a word is pronounced, A is used before that word, and if H remains silent, N is used instead. For example, a horse, a historian, and then another example, an honest man. So in this rule, what we have found, if H in the first letter of a word is pronounced, A is used before that word, and if H remains silent, N is used instead. Okay, then number 3, A is used before a word that begins with a vowel or vowels which are pronounced like U. Okay, A is used before a word that begins with a vowel or vowels which are pronounced like U. For example, a U, a European, a uniform. Okay, like this way. So now number 4, generally words beginning with O take N before them. However, A is used before words that begin with 1. For example, an open field, an opera. Okay, like this way. Then look, number 5, N is used before observations and individual letters pronounced like a vowel sound. Example, an MA. And FCPS. Okay, however, A is used instead if the first letter of abbreviation sound like a consonant. For example, a BA, a BSc. Okay dear students, so here what we have found, A is used instead if the first letter of abbreviation sound like a consonant, like A BA, A BSc. Okay, like this way. Now another rule I am going to say about the article of the. Uses of definite article the. The is used before singular and plural common nouns to particularize person or thing. For example, the boys are playing. Okay, so here in this rule what we have found, the is used before singular and plural common nouns to particularize person or thing. Then number 2, the is used before singular common nouns to represent a whole class. For example, the horse is a faithful animal, or a horse is a faithful animal, or horses are faithful animals. Okay, look dear students, the is used in this way is called generalizing. Okay, so now I am going to say number 3. The is used before names of river, sea, gulf, ocean, mountain, ranges, etc. For example, the Andamans, the Pacific. Okay, then I am going to say number 4. The is used before names of holy books and newspapers. What have I said? Look here, the is used before names of holy books and newspaper. So dear students, here what I have said here, the is used before names and holy books like the Holy Quran, the Observer. Okay, all of these words are the example of that. Okay, now listen to me dear students, you will submit as your SW in your next week, I mean next Saturday, this SW number 1. Okay, here I have written a passage, here you will do this by using article and submit this on next Saturday. So dear students, hope you see you again in our next class. Hope you have understood our today's topic. See you again in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.